we try our hands on some of the past questions on the topic. Say the first question reads, simplify 2 on 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 on 3 minus 2 root 2. So in solution, we have to rewrite our question again. So I write okay. So what I do now is to try and make sure that I take my LCM. But because the nature of the figure have been given us a difference of 2 squares. So what we are going to do is that we are going to apply the common multiple approach. The entire of the aspect here, the whole of this, will multiply the numerator here and the answer will be put down here. So this 3 minus 2 root 2, multiplying 2 is going to give me 2 out. That is the first part, it has finished. I bring the operational sign, which is plus. Then the second part here, which is 3 plus 2 root 2, also multiply 1. Now 1 is insignificant, so what we just do is that we just have to write the entire 2 plus 2 root 2 there. Because if I bring 1 as a coefficient, when you expand, it's the same thing. So I'm going to get then the entire figure will now come to the denominator by putting them together. So I'll have okay. So at this point, what I do is I try to expand the denominator and also work out with the numerator and see how my entire figure is going to be. So if I multiply 2 and 3, I'm going to get 6. Let me bring it here so that it will not create problem. Yeah. So if I multiply 2, 3 will give me 6. Then 2 times negative 2 root 2 will give me negative 4 root 2. Negative 4 root 2. So the 2 has finished. Plus, we've gotten 3. 3 plus 2 root 2. Now the denominator. 3 is multiplying 3 minus 2 root 2. And 2 root 2 is also multiplying 3 minus 2 root 2. So I'll just take it one by one like the way we would do the simple expression in normal expansion. So I'll bring my 3 out here. This is the 3. Then I take the entire slot here. The entire slot here is okay. So 3 multiplying 3 minus 2 root 2. Then the operation sign between them is what? Plus. Then I bring 2 root 2 down here. Then I still come along with what? 3 minus 2 root 2. Good. Now, I can now simplify the figures we have at the top. So I've gotten 6 and 3. They are numbers that can be added. So I'm going to get 6 plus 3 going to give me what? 9. Then we have negative 4 root 2. Then we've got plus 2 root 2. Now 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So at this point, the positive will reduce the negative. Why are we reducing it? We are doing so because both of them are having the same figure under the root. So that is what you must first consider. So negative 4 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is going to give me negative 2 root 2. Good. Then we come to the denominator. Now with the denominator, we have got 3 times 3 will give me 9. Then 3 times negative 2 root 2 will give me negative 6 root 2. Negative 6 root 2. The 3 has finished its expansion. Plus 2 root 2 times 3 will give me 6 root 2. Then 2 root 2 times negative 2 root 2 is going to give me negative 4 root 2 squared. That means there's root 2 here, there's root 2 here. Okay, now we have got positive and negative 6 root 2 and positive 6 root 2. They will equate. So when they equate, I'll have the top here to be 9 minus 2 root 2. Then we have the 2 as a power blowing the root sign away. So when that one happens, I have my denominator to be let me expand my good, to be 9 minus 4 into brackets, I've blown the root sign away, so 2. So what I do now is I maintain the figure, so I've got 9 minus 2 root 2, then I've gotten 9 again at the denominator, minus 4 times 2 will give me what? 8. 9 minus 2 root 2. So 9 divided by 1 is nothing. So you are being asked to leave your answer in a plus b root 2. So equals to 9 and b equals to negative 2. So this will be the solution of the question. So after you've done, you just have to let them know what you have got.